I'll show you how to make a fruit fly trap that really works. To make this trap, what you'll need is some scrap pieces of fruit, some soap, some apple cider vinegar, a bowl with a rubber band, and some saran wrap or plastic wrap. We happen to have some apple scraps, a very soft tomato, and these grapes are well past ripe. They need to go in this bowl too. With a fork, go ahead and smash everything up. Next, we'll pour in some apple cider vinegar and add to that a little bit of soap. Stir that up very well. Cover it with plastic wrap. Put the rubber band on very tightly so no flies can crawl in or out. The last step is to poke some holes so they can enter, but they won't be able to exit very easily because, first of all, it's covered and these holes are so tiny. What's going to happen when they go inside is they're going to get trapped with the soap on the surface of the liquid down there and they won't be able to fly back out. We've had this trap here for a few days and it has definitely worked. I'll show you when we open it up what it looks like inside. You can see all of these stuck to the inside of the plastic are dead, and there are hundreds more down inside enjoying that yucky fruit. You can see them on the side, and the method does work.